Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNB Academy, your trusted platform for professional learning, ISO certifications and skill development. If you are someone who is looking to grow in your career, upgrade your qualifications or explore international job opportunities, then this video is tailor-made for you. In this powerful session, we will uncover how ISO certifications can truly skyrocket your career in 2025. We will explore why these credentials are becoming must-haves, which ISO standard is right for you, how to get certified, and what real success stories look like. Why 2025 is a career-changing year? Let's begin with a simple fact. 2025 is not just another year. It is a turning point for professionals across every industry. Due to digitalization, automation, and global compliance needs, companies are no longer hiring based only on degrees. They now need professionals who are process-oriented, audit-ready, internationally aware, and capable of maintaining global standards. And that is exactly where ISO certifications become your career rocket fuel. What exactly is an ISO certification? ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization. It is a global body that sets international standards to ensure quality, safety, efficiency, and security across industries. From manufacturing to software, healthcare to construction, ISO has standards for every sector. Some of the most popular ones include ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 for environmental management, ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety, ISO 27001 for information security, ISO 22000 for food safety. An ISO certification proves that you understand how to implement, maintain, and audit a management system based on global best practices. Top 7 ways ISO certification boosts your career. Enhances your resume and credibility. When you add ISO certified to your resume, it acts as a magnet for employers. It immediately signals that you are trained in structured thinking, risk-based approaches, and international compliance, qualities that every company needs today. Unlocks global job opportunities. ISO is recognized in over 160 countries. If you are ISO certified, you increase your chances of getting hired abroad. In the Middle East, Europe, Australia, and other regions where companies follow ISO standards rigorously, helps you land high-paying jobs. ISO certified professionals often get hired as internal auditors, quality managers, compliance officers, or lead auditors, all of which are high-paying roles. In fact, ISO certified candidates can earn 20% to 40% more than others. Speeds up promotions and leadership roles. ISO trained professionals are better at documentation, analysis, and reporting. That is why they often move into supervisory or leadership roles faster than their peers. Opens up independent career options. Once you have some experience, you can even become an independent ISO consultant or tailor, helping other organizations get certified while earning on your own terms. Helps you work on government projects. Public sector contracts often demand ISO compliant processes. If you are ISO certified, you can work on government tenders, smart city missions, or PSU compliance teams. Expands your professional network. ISO training programs connect you with auditors, consultants, and industry leaders, creating professional connections that last a lifetime. Who should do ISO certification? This isn't just for auditors. If you are in any of these roles, ISO training is for you. Students or freshers looking to start strong, working professionals aiming to upgrade, engineers, quality analysts, HR executives, safety officers, project managers and supervisors, consultants, trainers, or business owners. Whether you work in manufacturing, healthcare, software, food industry, or construction, ISO adds direct value to your profile. What is Lead Auditor Training? Lead Auditor Training is a 5-day certified course that equips you with all the skills needed to conduct and lead audits. It covers ISO standard clauses, risk-based auditing, report writing, case studies, and role plays, final written exam. Once you pass, you get an internationally accepted lead auditor certificate. You can then work with certification bodies, consultancy firms, or even freelance globally. Cost versus value. Is it worth it? Absolutely. ISO certification is an investment. A typical internal auditor course may cost around 5,000 to 10,000. A lead auditor course may be around 25,000 to 40,000. But the value you gain in terms of career jump, salary hike, and international exposure is worth lakhs. Why now is the right time in 2025? The demand for ISO professionals is at an all-time high due to stricter compliance laws, global supply chain checks, and cyber risk. So don't wait, because each month you delay, someone else moves ahead. In this competitive world, ISO gives you the edge, the credibility, the skill, and the recognition you need. So go ahead, invest in yourself, and let ISO be the bridge to your dream career in 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNB Academy. See you in the next video with more ISO wisdom and career guidance.